Hello everyone, so in this video we want to make this button. It's just a simple button that we can hover, and it's like a actual button that we push, and then after that if I click on it, as you can see, it kind of seems like I'm actually clicking on a real button. So I created an empty pen here, and here we can at first say this h1 do1, so h1, and then a button with the class of, we can say push button, so push btn, and the text is click me, and button. Okay, so we're done with our HTML, so we have to work on our CSS. So let's see. First of all, we have a body. We can add a background color to FCD04B. Okay, so here as you can see, and then we can say the color itself is white. As you can see here, both of them are white. You can just see the color later, but now we should change color button separately. Okay, now our push btn, and here we should first say, okay, it doesn't have any outline, none, and also border, none. So let's see. Yeah, as you can see, this doesn't have any border or outline, and then we better put this text align center. Okay, yeah, and after that we should add a padding. We can say 1 rem and 3 rem. Let's see. Okay, and then the font size 16 pixels. Okay, and after that we can see that the text itself is all uppercase, so we can say text transform uppercase, and we have some space between letters, so letter spacing is maybe 3 pixels, too much, 2 pixels, okay, and the font size can be 20 pixels, yeah, and also the padding could be more, 2 and 4, okay, let's see, yeah, maybe 5, okay, yeah, and then after that we should add a border radius of maybe 15 pixels, so it's a bit more, maybe 20 pixels. Let's see. Okay, seems okay, and then we should add maybe even can have it as a link. No, the button itself is good, but we can add cursor, pointer, yeah, as you can see, and then the background color we can just inspect this, and then we should have a background color here. Okay, just close this. Okay, yeah, and then the color itself is white. Color is white, and so now let's work on this shadow, as you can see here. So we can add a box shadow here. So the box shadow, first of all, the offset of right and left is 0, as you can see, and then from the bottom we can say maybe 5 pixels. Let's see. Okay, maybe a bit more, 7 pixels. Alright, yeah, this looks Okay, and then the color itself, we can use this code EFA424. Okay, now we have a shadow, it's pretty similar, and then font weight maybe now it's too much, maybe 300. Yeah, it's okay. And I also can use the font here and then use this font. So the name of it is Lato. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, it's pretty similar now. And then for the H1, we can say font weight is maybe 400. No, it's a bit thinner, 300. Okay, yeah, it looks okay. And then the most important part, we should work on that push button hover. Okay, and here we should have the box shadow, like here. We don't need the color, but this one we can say 4 pixels push. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, it looks okay. So I need the color too. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it looks good, but now we should, instead of change the box shadow, we should move the button itself too. So we can say transform, and then translate y minus 5 pixels, minus 3 pixels, because we should look at the subtract of 7 and 4, and here. Okay, should be 3. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it's exactly what you want. And now he can just add transition, 0.3 seconds. Yeah, as you can see, it's much smooth. And now for the active one, we should say, let's see. Okay, we don't have any shadow here, so you can say 0. And here we should say 7, because we should just delete whole box shadow, and here we just delete the 3 pixel of it. So the 3 and 4 should give us 7, and then here again 7 and 0 gives us 7. So let's see. As you can see, it's exactly like that, even better. As you can see, it's really smooth, and maybe a bit less padding here, 1.7. Yeah, it looks awesome now. So yeah, if you have any questions about this code or any other topic, please leave a comment below. Thank you.